Okay, today I will be comparing the most popular fast food vegetarian burgers at local fast food restaurants here in Watertown. These are the four most popular fast food restaurants in Watertown. So today I did McDonald's, Burger King, Culvers, and Hardee's because those all offered a vegetarian burger and they're the most popular ones in town. So they have the greatest reach to people. And the reason I chose to compare these today is because in my work, my field of work and my field of study, we is environmentalism, and we talk a lot about the switch from moving from a meat-based diet to a vegetarian diet and the health benefits of it. But often an aspect that's discussed a lot in that topic is how available is that? Like, how doable is that in your daily life? A lot of people go to fast food in their regular life, so these fast food options are a good way to show how available vegetarian options are and how good they are. So, the criteria that I'm working with today is price, taste, availability, variety and selection, health, presentation, and portion sizes. Um, the ones I'm just going to be talking about is going to be price, taste, and health, but at the end there's going to be a table with all of these in there just to really show the variety in them and all of the criteria. But for now, I'm just going to discuss the price, taste, and health. So first up is McDonald's because I think it's the most popular one. Everybody knows McDonald's. Everybody has had it before. So the price was $4.89. It was pretty middle of the road. It wasn't too expensive. It wasn't very cheap. The taste was not good, to say the least. It was very much not good. It was a 2 out of 10. The presentation was not great at all either. And then the health had 20 grams of fat, 19 grams of protein. It had a pretty even fat to protein ratio, which is fine. And then the fat also kind of plays into how healthy it is, which is what's discussed a lot with vegetarian options. So this one is not one that I would recommend a lot. And then the next one is Burger King. A lot of people think like Burger King is kind of McDonald's like counterpart. So that was the next one we went to. Price is $5.49, pretty spendy, a bit more expensive than the McDonald's one. The taste was a 4 out of 10, an upgrade from McDonald's, but definitely I don't think worth the price. And then the health was 14 grams of fat, 19 grams of protein. Technically speaking, out of my whole chart, out of all four brands, this was the most healthy one. Not necessarily healthy, but still the most healthy one with the lowest amount of fat and the highest amount of protein. It really was not that fresh, but it was the biggest one. It was also the biggest one, had the biggest portion size. Next up is Culver's. This one was really, really great. The price was $4.19, is one of the cheapest ones, and the taste was an 8 out of 10. I think a lot of times Culver's prides itself on its freshness and the way they prepare their meat and their burgers, even though this isn't meat, but the way they prepare their products, I think they take a lot of pride in that. That's something that they do as a brand, and you can really taste that. The lettuce and tomato and onion that came on all these burgers, the one that came on the Culver's one was really, really good, which is why I got an 8 out of 10. It really tasted good. And then health was 19 grams of fat, 13 grams of protein. Really not that great, but honestly, if you're going out for fast food, I don't know how much you're looking for health, but it really tasted good, and I think that's what's important. Lastly was Hardee's. So it had a price of $5.99, so it was the most expensive one. Taste 5 out of 10, not great, not bad. The health got a little cut off there at the end. 46 grams of fat, 33 grams of protein. So this was really crazy. 46 grams of fat, that is a lot. 33 grams of protein as well, though. So a lot of protein, which I guess you need in your diet, but 46 grams of fat, that really, really, really brings it down. And the taste was only a 5 out of 10. You'd think with that much fat there would be a bit better taste, but there really wasn't. Presentation, this was overall the worst one. It didn't come with hardly anything. I got the lettuce, onion, and the tomato on it, but you can't even tell. And yeah, for $5.99 being the most expensive, it really was not worth what it was. And then here's the complete criteria, the chart that I fully filled out with all of the 7 categories of criteria. So There you can see the presentation, the portion sizes, variety and selection. I didn't expect all of these to be able to customize so much. And then availability, I didn't expect all of these to be available in Watertown either, but they were. So that's kind of just a check for all of those. But overall, I would recommend Culver's because it had the best taste, best presentation. It wasn't necessarily the healthiest, but I don't really think that that was its crux. It was really, really good and a good alternative if you're looking for a non-meat based burger. And it was the cheapest as well, which I find really good. You know, it wasn't the cheapest with the meal, but if you're getting just a burger, it was the cheapest. So overall, I would recommend Culver's. Thank you.